Today we'll discuss whether you can have a Roth TSP and Roth IRA and some of the differences between the two. A common question that I get from highly motivated savers is whether you can contribute to both a Roth TSP and a Roth IRA each year. And the good news is that having a Roth TSP or a Roth IRA in and of itself does not prevent you from having the other account. So in short, the answer is yes, you can have both. However, there are some limitations and some differences between the two accounts that we'll discuss. So first, let's discuss some similarities between the two accounts. So both accounts are tax advantage retirement accounts, meaning that there are some tax benefits for contributing to both accounts. Now with that comes some limitations as well. So both accounts have limitations as far as how much you can contribute to each annually. Now by definition, both accounts are Roth accounts, which means that you'll be contributing funds that have already been taxed. And if you meet certain IRS requirements, you'll be able to withdraw your money tax-free. Now let's talk about some of the differences between the two accounts. Because the Roth TSP and the Roth IRA are two entirely different retirement vehicles, they have different rules. For example, in the current year, 2021, the Roth TSP has a current annual contribution limit, so the maximum you can contribute, of $19,500. And if you're 50 and over, you can contribute an additional $6,500. Now compare that to the Roth IRA, which has an annual contribution limit of $6,000 with a catch-up contribution of $1,000. There's a big difference there. Now another important difference is the income limit of the Roth IRA. So in the current year, if you're married filing jointly and your modified adjusted gross income is $208,000 or above, you cannot directly contribute to a Roth IRA. Whereas the Roth TSP has no such limitation. Now, I want to note that there is an indirect way to contribute to the Roth IRA if your income is above the threshold, but I won't get into it today. It's called the backdoor Roth. So remember, you can contribute to both a Roth TSP and Roth IRA in the same year. And in doing so, might be giving yourself some additional optionality in retirement. Remember to check the links below for additional resources. And until next time, I'm Armenta. Take care.